To install the battery in your new sensor, simply turn it over, remove the back cover. The battery is polarized and simply plugs in like so. It fits in here. We put the back cover back on. There we go. Put the screws in. We'll plug the sensor in like so. This happens to be a water leak detector. This mounts to the wall under your washer or hot water heater or refrigerator. This is placed under the appliance, and this attaches to the wall with this adhesive Velcro pad here. Makes it easy to take off if you ever need to recharge the battery. And there you are. Thank you for watching.